Oh, hello, I'm on camera and we're recording. Welcome back. What I'm going to be talking about today is that we don't typically walk around with a mirror in front of us. When we're in meetings or talking to other people, we're not always looking at ourselves. But we've been hearing a lot lately about Zoom fatigue and just people being tired of being online in online meeting spaces. Now, personally, I think that when we facilitate really engaging learning experiences and meaningful connections throughout our meetings, people aren't as tired. And there's definitely good reasons why sometimes the mic is off or the camera is off, or that we're not showing our real backgrounds. This is real. But, there are times where, and I understand why sometimes people are getting a little bit tired because they're looking at themselves. When they're talking, they're not necessarily looking at the camera. And eye contact online is very different when we're looking at everyone else that we're meeting with. But there is an option to turn off our own camera so we don't see ourselves. Did you know that? Join me and I'm going to show you how to do this. Hi, my name is Patricia with Regier Educational Services. So I'm going to share screen. You see yourself, your video tile, and up in the top right here with the 3 dots, you open that up for the drop down and you can see a hide self view. So that's what you click, and now you can't see yourself. And if on my other device, I turned on the camera, that is the host right now talking to you. So I'm just going to turn that off. And to get it back, you just go back up to view and you will find show self view. So now I'm back again. So I'm going to show you one more time. The 3 dots right in your video tile where you would see yourself typically in the gallery view. You go to hide self view, and then to get it back again, you go to view up in the top right and you just click show self view. And that's how simple it is to hide yourself. So you're not looking at yourself while you're talking. Other people can see you, but you're not seeing yourself. And that's it. So that's very quickly how to remove your self view and how to get it back, which might help how you experience meetings. And then you're just looking at the gallery view of everyone else. Hope this is helpful. If it is, you can give me a like or a comment below. Share this with others too that might also really find this helpful. Thanks for tuning in. My name is Patricia. And I hope you have a light bulb learning moment today and that you're able to facilitate engaging learning experiences with other people as well. And until next time, thanks again.